Today I've decided to use cotton yarn and make very fast, very quick project that will work in 15 minutes. It will be fantastic present to someone, or maybe if you are getting ready for craft fair, this pattern will work very fast. I've got thicker cotton yarn group C, recommended hook 5 millimeters. Or I've got slightly thinner yarn group A, this again cotton by drops, and I want to use these drops today, and I will be holding 2 strands of yarn throughout the project. It will be crochet hook 4 millimeters. Start with slip knot, like that, and I will be making chain of 44. In a 4th chain stitch, I will be making 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Chain 3, turn your work, make 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same space, one double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch. Chain 3, turn, 2 double crochets in the chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same space, one double crochet in the 3rd chain, three chain stitches, turn, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets, one double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch, chain 3, turn, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch, chain 3, turn, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets, one double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch, chain 3, turn, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 double crochets in chain 1 space, one double crochet in the 3rd chain stitch, I will continue with the pattern. Obviously for the headband you will make it shorter, for the belt it will be longer. All the measurements and all the more information and pictures will be in PDF pattern. If you want to download this could really help my channel, and I will show you in a bit how to finish this project. When you've got enough length, let's finish this. I am making chain 2, turning, skip 2 stitches, making 1 double crochet, then skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the last stitch, into this 3rd chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pulling through 2. So you've got 2 double crochets unfinished. Now I'm making this all through. Turn, skip 1 stitch, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and make single crochet. All this with pictures. I am making PDF pattern. If you want to buy an expensive version of this video, of this pattern with all the lengths and everything, the link will be in the description. Then I prefer to gather those loops and I will be making chain, long chain to repeat the one at the beginning, chain 40.